Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to master every brawler in Brawl Stars. To do that, know whether a brawler is a tank, support, assassin, or other, and play accordingly. Familiarize yourself with the attacks range of each brawler to optimize positioning in battles. Master the timing and mechanics of each brawler's basic attack for effective damage output. Understand how and when to use each brawler's super ability for maximum impact. Learn the effects of star powers and how they enhance a brawler's capabilities in different situations. Understand how each brawler performs on different maps and adapt your strategy accordingly. Utilize bushes and obstacles to your advantage, especially with brawlers who benefit from surprise attacks. Predict opponents' movements based on their brawler type and behavior. Build synergistic team composition that complement each brawler's strength. Adapt your playstyle based on whether you're playing offense, defense, or supporting teammates. Learn when to retreat, heal, or engage to maximize your brawler's survivability. Practice dodging enemy attacks to minimize damage taken and extend your brawler's lifespan. Experiment with each brawler's gadget and understand its tactical applications. Gain experience in various game modes to understand how each brawlers perform differently. Study gameplay videos of top players using specific brawlers to learn advances, strategies. Identify which brawlers counter your chosen brawler and how to adjust your strategy against them. Communicate with teammates to coordinate attacks, defenses, and super abilities. Focus on controlling key areas of the map to gain strategic advantages. Analyze your gameplay to identify areas for improvement with each brawler. Invest in upgrading brawlers' power points and gadgets to enhance their performance. Time your super abilities to disrupt enemy attacks or secure crucial eliminations. And improve your accuracy with each brawler's attack to consistently deal damage. And that's how to master every brawler in Brawl Stars. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.